Hello everyone, my name is Blaze L. Sibayan. Today, we are going to report and locate the places that is having a typhoon. The following places are Isabela, Cagayan, and Batanes. In the Cartesian plate, Isabela is located at 4 and 6, which means the x-axis is 4 while the y-axis is 6. In Cagayan, it is located at 14 and 6, which means the x-axis is 14 while the y-axis is 6. In Batanes, it is 14 and 18. That means the x-axis is 14 while the y-axis is 18. The distance between Isabela and Cagayan is 10 units, while the midpoint is 9 and 6, which means the x-axis is 9 while the y-axis is 6. In the distance between Cagayan and Batanes, the distance is 12 units, while the midpoint is 14 and 12, which means the x-axis is 14 while the y-axis is 12. You must be careful during the typhoon.